Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about this little white, not little black. And this video I want to show you guys one very useful accessory. Come, I show you. Aha, do you notice any difference? The difference is I finally can open the bonnet with one hand. So this is the accessory that I want to talk about this video. This is the hydraulic bonnet lifter. I'll show you how to install this. Okay, let's go. This one. 10 mm, and this one is 12. No need to be super tight because there's a plastic. Then this one. And so we put some tape so that it's not scratching the bonnet. Then okay, so it's gonna be like this. All right. Okay, we're gonna be use back this from the headlight because we're gonna use the black one because this one is not fit. So this one we keep it. This is bottom, this is top. So unlock the screw. So bottom. Just find out that instead of the top hole, it's better to put at the bottom one. so that it doesn't scratch around this area. So let's me try to move the top one to the bottom. Let's see if the alignment is it better. Okay, let's put at the bottom. Okay, everything looks good. So we should put bottom one, not the top, for non-facelift. So to close the bonnet, just use one hand and push a little bit. Okay, that's it for video today. I hope you'll find this useful. But too bad this accessory not available for my Proton Saka. But some other car, they do have this hydraulic lifter. So yeah, if you are driving Kia or any other brand, you can find this on the market. That's all, bye.